Little nature watching with Candyman here. Oop, boat's fucking moving. Oh shit, we're gonna hit a wall. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a gigantic hawk in the tree. So I'll see if I can scare him.
We got one.
Oh wait, here's another one. God damn it. Fucker flew away. Anyways, it sucks because I can't see this damn hawk on the phone. Let's see if I can get him to fly away. Oh fuck, written ground. Hell, I wish this fucker would fly away. But yeah, he's being
How do you get the Highway 29 from here?
You stupid bird. Well, maybe next time. Damn it.